Hello guys, today I've got the Nothing Headphone A model and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. It doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone or Android phone, the process is actually the same. Open settings. Here you need to navigate to Bluetooth and to connected devices. On some other Android phones it's connected devices and that's it. On other devices that are Android, like for example Samsung, you need to go to connections, then Bluetooth. But you need to land here in my devices. Here, as you can see, I don't know why I don't have these headphones. Something has happened that was very bad. But you should, as you can see, tap like I did, info icon, forget device. Then you need to hold this Bluetooth button on your headphones over here for 2 or maybe 3 seconds till you hear a tone. Now we are in pairing mode. Connect back. Try to, pair to your headphones back again. If it works, that's nice. If it doesn't work, still, if you still can't pair with your headphones, can't connect, you need to perform a factory reset of them. How to do that? You need to hold this, this Bluetooth button for at least 15 seconds till you see here this light go red. Meantime, you can turn off your phone and then turn it back on. Everything should be working fine after that. If it still doesn't work fine, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!